Now we're going to tell about heat pumps.
Here is a heat pump. The heat pump makes warm water with help from nature. The heat pump pumps cold water out to the pipes that are laying in the ground. The ground warms the pipes up and the water is getting a higher degrees. When the water is having a higher degrees, it pumps the water into a compressor, and the compressor puts the water under a big pressure. And when water comes under a big pressure, it's getting very hot, 50 degrees maybe. Then we pump the warm water into the house and warm your house up. Then we take the water out again, take the pressure off it, so the water is getting cold again, and starting over.
This is the inside of an air-to-air heat pump. This is where all the warm air gets out in the room and makes it warmer to be in. This is then outside. This is where all the cold air gets sucked in. It will then get compressed and blown into the building by the white box that you just seen. That will then make the room warmer, and it will be way more comfortable to be in. Now we are going out to Bjarne's place to learn some more about heat pumps. This is Bjarne.
Der typisk fra 110 til 140.000. Det er det, man kalder et typisk hus.
Okay.
Hvis du bruger fra 2500 op til 4.000 liter olie, for eksempel, så koster det. Typisk mellem 6 og 10 år.
Okay.
Man kan se ligesom jo større ens olieforbrug har været, jo hurtigere det tjent hjem, jo større del har du sparet. Det er selve med at lægge slangen i jorden, det går der cirka en dag eller halvanden med.
Okay.
Så går der cirka 2 dage med at installere. Så 3 til 3,5 dage, så er det færdigt. Det fylder 1,2 kvadratmeter per meter slange.
Okay.
Og typisk slangelængde, det er mellem 400 og 600 meter. Så der skal lidt grund til, eller noget grund til.
Ja.
Vi kan som regel altid finde plads til det.
Ja.
Og for eksempel folk, de bor ude til en mark, eller en bondemand ved siden af, og hvis man så har en lille grund, så kan man lægge slangen ude i hans mark. Og så, ja, så får man det bare tinglyst. Den måde kan man gøre det.
Super.
Jamen det er jo, at du for eksempel erstatter olie eller gas med strøm. Godt nok er det strøm, men de bruger jo kun en væsentlig mindre del.
Now we're gonna ask some people in the city what they know about heat pumps.
Ja, jamen har du en varmepumpe derhjemme?
Nej, det har jeg ikke for hjemme. Nej, det tror jeg ikke.
Pump. Yeah, pump. It's something with some wires.
Most people don't know they have a heat pump in the house, but if they have a fridge, they also have a heat pump, because in every fridge there is a heat pump at the back. This is the compressor that also are in the heat pump. We think that heat pumps is a good solution to the world's CO2 problems, because it's so friendly to the environment.
And we think that everybody should have a heat pump because it's good for the environment.